This is Lauren-Sharpe's video presentation for first year textile practice. Before university, I had never really thought of the idea of going into textiles. My high school didn't offer it at GCSE or A-level, so it was something that I'd never really delved into. It wasn't until I was on a foundation course and my tutor suggested I worked on a sewing machine to bring my continuous line drawings to life, and I absolutely loved the outcome. This course has opened my eyes to new possibilities. I've learnt new techniques, processes and working methods that have changed my outlook completely. I've had some health issues and I've ended up missing a lot of timetable teaching. Because of this, I'll be redoing 2 modules next year, those being professional practice and materials and processes. Despite this, I do feel a strong connection to designer maker and I'm certain that I will choose this route. Working freely and spontaneously, creating a sense of renewal for existing forms of art, is embodied in being a designer maker, and I feel this is how I work too. I haven't chosen a specialism due to missing a lot of the workshops. I do intend on rectifying this next year, but from what I did attend, I found that my embroidery skills, hand and machine, are better than I thought. I enjoy embroidery, but I can't imagine myself solely using this technique alone. I was surprised at how much I enjoyed weave. I had never really tried it before and was pleasantly surprised at how quickly I warmed to it, how good my samples actually were. I don't think I would choose it to specialise in, as I do enjoy the element of drawing and design, but I think I will definitely use it for one-off pieces and primary research. I missed all of knit and print, so I cannot comment on my thoughts of them, but from past experiences of hand knitting and several printing techniques I learnt at college, I know that I do enjoy both, and I'm excited to experiment, learn and experience them next year. I plan on exploring all of these routes next year, with extra focus on print and weave to further my skills and understanding to figure out what I want to specialise in. A learning experience that stands out the most to me from this year is something that I learnt during Contemporary Practitioner, and that is craftivism. I am personally involved with a lot of charity work and activism. I'm an employee of an organisation called NCS that helps promote social action and activism, and I'm also part of a group of people climbing Kilimanjaro this summer for a charity called Dig Deep. To quote Betsy Greer on her definition of craftivism, it is a way of looking at life where voicing opinion through creativity makes your voice stronger, your compassion deeper, and your quest for justice infinite. Combining 2 of my passions, craft and activism, sounded perfect to me, and having never heard of it before, it opened my eyes to new possibilities career-wise. One project from this craftivism movement that struck a chord with me was Lynette's Unknown Project, a global mass collaboration protesting the murders of women in Mexico. The project touched me on a personal level due to the intimacy of stitching the name of an innocent woman that had been murdered into a small piece of fabric. It gave me a connection to this person and made me think about the issue, something that I wouldn't have done or known about if it wasn't for this project. This is highlighted as one of the main focal points of the course for me, and showed me how craft and art can be used to raise awareness and draw someone's attention to an issue and make a change.